Viewer discretion is advised.
We interrupt this program because I have had kind of a crap day, and I know all the station passwords to do it. So smell that finger, co-og.
Ooh, drop news report. Don Tucker. Well, it should be good.
A local car dealer has announced a hands on a hard body promotion in which a used dirt bike will be awarded to the one customer who can successfully outlast his competitors. And in other news, they're bringing back passions. Yes, they are. Holy crap.
Holy crap, dirt bike. I'm gonna win that thing. Griffin, why would you want to use a dirt bike? This is 1978.
One of you who can keep his or her hand on this dirt bike for the longest amount of time will get to take it home. Okay, everyone who wants to win this dirt bike, come on up and put a hand on it. Mr. Pewterschmidt, what are you doing? Pow! How are you going to destroy it? No, Brick! Who's going to win this thing? This I gotta see. Oh, and we have a winner! Hey, where's Peter?
It was Griffin. I don't know, maybe he has to. Hope you made that out here. Do this. What the hell? Who is this? Oh, this is my dirt bike girlfriend. Yeah, now I'm a dirt bike guy. And now you have this one. Yes, you may manage that one. Griffin, she has to leave. No, girl. I don't bear you to look like that. There's gonna be an alternative. There's different ways you cannot steal the bike there. And you know what it is already. She rubbled it. Alright, now I might as well give it a break. Ooh, there it is. Why don't we take it for a spin? Come on, get on it, you. Don't be afraid. Alright. Fine, I'll get on it. Oh, check it out. I'm gonna check out. Oh, please, you're gonna wreck the shit up. Oh, I'm gonna have the eyes. Jesus! Idiot, look at what you did! Oh my god. Yeah, should be dead bike. What were you kids thinking about? Do you guys think how hurt you guys could have gotten? But it was all Ginger's fault. Oh, really? You think how do you like it? Oh, see how you like it. Oh, I don't smoke. Shut it up, now you're being punched.